Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to simplify the fraction 4/8 to its lowest terms. Let's look at the fraction 4/8. To simplify it, we'll divide both the numerator and the denominator by their greatest common factor. The greatest common factor, or GCF, for 4 and 8 is 4. We start by dividing 4 by 4, which gives us 1. Then we divide 8 by 4, which results in 2. So, simplifying 4/8, we end up with 1/2, which is the fraction in its simplest form. It's interesting to note that the original fraction 4/8 and the simplified fraction 1/2 are equivalent in decimal form, which is 0.5. This shows that although their appearance may change, their value remains the same. So, there you have it. The fraction 4/8 simplified to its simplest form is 1/2, and in decimal form, they both represent the same value, 0.5. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.